FIVEIZERO was kind enough to send me the stamp set. These look like markers, but they are actually refills for the stamps, which is brilliant because stamps like this, especially the small, get dried out so quickly, especially if kids are using them. So I have already opened up 2 of these. There are a few things that I do notice. Kids are going to have trouble getting them back in the box like this, so you may want a bigger box. The other thing is the lids do not stay on perfectly, so if they were in, you know, like tossed into a bigger box, the lids are not going to stay on. So you would want this box for these pads so that the lids stay on. But my granddaughter got a really cute set of animal stamps and she loves them. However, it didn't come with very many colors of ink, so that's not any fun. So we're going to check to see, we're going to test these out. You can see that these stamps are well used. This is a rhinoceros. Let's ink him up. Let's see how he stamps. Let me put him here. Oh my gosh, she's gonna have a lot of fun with this. These stamp really well, considering that this is an inexpensive craft set. I would totally use these for making cards. That has lots of great colors. I might have to get a set for myself to do some card making because, I mean, that's a really good color and it's a really good imprint too. So let's try this hot pink on a dolphin. See how this, whoops. See how this looks. Stamp it. Oh yeah, look at that. Nice, vibrant colors. This is a really great set, especially for kids, but even if you are new to stamping, I would totally get a set of these until you decide if you're going to stick with the hobby.